Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an egg sandwich in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients, including eggs, your favorite bread, cheese, and any other toppings you enjoy. Next, preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Finally, lightly grease a small, oven-safe dish or ramekin. This prevents the egg from sticking and makes cleanup easy. Now, let's cook that egg. Carefully crack one egg into your grease dish and season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Place the dish directly into the preheated air fryer basket. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how firm you like your yolk. For a runny yolk, aim for 6 minutes. For a firmer one, closer to 8. Keep an eye on it to achieve your perfect consistency. While your egg is cooking, you can toast your bread. Place 2 slices of bread directly into the air fryer basket alongside the egg dish for about 2 minutes, or until golden brown. Once the egg is cooked to your liking, carefully remove it from the air fryer. Gently slide the cooked egg onto one slice of your toasted bread. Now, add a slice of cheese and any other delicious toppings you desire. For the final touch, place your assembled sandwich back into the air fryer for just 1 minute. This brief cook time will perfectly melt the cheese, making it wonderfully gooey. Once the cheese is melted and bubbly, carefully remove your hot and delicious egg sandwich. Let it cool for a moment before taking that first satisfying bite. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly air-fried egg sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.